In this video, I will guide you how you can activate Mint Mobile SIM card. So first of all, you need to start by opening up any browser that you are using and simply search for SIM card activation Mint Mobile. And you need to simply sign in with your Mint Mobile account, and the process is pretty much straightforward, but this is a step-by-step guide from the Mint Mobile itself. Now if I select my physical SIM and select iPhone as an example, as you can see, you need to first of all install the application and sign in with your account. Now once you do so, you just need to click on activate your SIM card and enter the 11-digit ACD code on the back of your SIM card. Now remember, this cannot be done on your website, so you need to simply make sure to download the Mint Mobile app and then proceed further. Then you need to select keep your current one to bring your phone number to Mint, or get a new number by selecting get a new one, and we will assign one to you based on your zip code. Now if you choose to get a new number, you can skip ahead to step number 5. Now as it is saying itself, if you have a new number, you just need to enter your name to initiate a number transfer request, and then you need to simply select your plan and then create your account and insert your newly activated Mint Mobile SIM card. If you need any kind of help, you can also contact their customer support on their website or within the application. So that's the way of how you can activate your Mint Mobile SIM card.